It says birthday wishes. Mark, hope your birthday is filled with sweet surprises. Happy birthday, love, Uncle Matt, Aunt Emily, Angela, and Joey.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Can I open it now?
Yeah, go ahead. Should I say these?
Keep the
You don't need the
ready to record.
envelope. You can throw out the envelope.
It's Play-Doh.
Oh my gosh, Mark, what is it?
It's Play-Doh. Here we go.
We see.
I'm opening.
Sit down. Sit.
Play-Doh set. I love these things.
Is that
Oh.
Yeah,
Puppy Play-Doh.
What do you say?
thank you.
Look at the camera.
Right here.
Cheese.
No, say thank you.
Thank you.
Get the camera.
Say thank you to the camera.
Thank you.
Say thank you, camera.